but this is something that the AI gurus on YouTube, they're not going to tell you. They're just going to tell you, oh, this is the best AI tool right now, just so they can get a ton of views. This is fucking, sorry, no curse words. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. You can see the detail in the shirt. As you can see, it generated the same exact image. I have absolutely no idea why. I don't know if this is like a glitch in their platform or not. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going over the latest image generator, and they have an upcoming video generator as well, which is Flux.AI. But there's a catch here, and in this video I'll show you how you can start using their premium models or the premium engine for free without actually paying subscribing for Flux, which is about $9 for the starter plan, and so on and so forth for just 500 credits. You can actually use this platform and their best image generation engine for free on Shaker AI. I did a video about Shaker AI in some weeks ago, or about a week ago, and if you've not seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description so you can just go and watch that video. Now today we're just going to test out Flux to see if it's actually worth the money, or if you can get around this by using the same model for free with a different platform. So let's just get started. So first, you want to go on Flux.1 Flux.1ai.com. That's the URL or the website, because if you go to Flux AI, you're going to see a totally different AI tool, which is a tool that helps engineers build circuits and stuff like that. So when you're on the platform, you can just sign up for free, or you can start generating. You can see Flux.1 AI Frontier, Flux AI image generator model, discover Flux, blah, blah, revolutionary Flux AI image generator by Black Forest Labs, blah, 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 blah. A lot of big YouTubers are talking about how this is a game changer, how this is so good, how this is like the best image generator right now. We're going to see if that's actually the case, or if you can get better images using another platform. So click on try for free. Now once you click on try for free, you get to this page. They'll take you to this page: generate your AI masterpiece with Flux AI. I have a prompt that I'm going to be using to test out the other image generators. So I'm just going to copy and paste this, and now the prompt is a photorealistic image of a model with pink hair walking through a cyberpunk cityscape with flying cars moving through the skyscrapers. Now this is the prompt I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this Schnell, because this, for you to be able to generate a video, an image with this Flux AI on their platform, you have to subscribe. And now for you to subscribe, you have to pay either $10 a month, or $13 or $30. But you can use these same models or these same engines for free on a different platform, and I'll show you how. Now, once you're done with your prompt, you can just select the aspect ratio you want. For me, I want 9:16, but since 9:16 will be too long, and they do not have an option for a smaller one like 3:4 or 4:5, I'm just going to use 3:2, so it will be like a landscape. Let's just say 1:1, and I'm going to click on generate. So let's see what it generates. It will take about 20 seconds to generate an image. So let's see what it generates. Okay, so I've done this before. Now it keeps generating almost this exact same image for me. I have no idea why. And I don't think I would want to pay such an amount for a platform that would generate the same image. For example, if I click on generate with the same prompt, if I use a different platform, it's going to actually show me a totally different image. But if I click on generate now on this platform, it's going to show me almost the same identical image. Let's see. As you can see, it generated the same exact image. I have absolutely no idea why. I don't know if this is like a glitch in their platform or not, but this is something that the AI gurus on YouTube, they're not going to tell you. They're just going to tell you, oh, this is the best AI tool right now, just so they can get a ton of views. I don't do that on this channel. I just tell you as it is. You can see this is the same image. I have no idea why. But now for you to use all of their free models, from the Chanel, the Dev, and the Pro, you have to pay. You have to be on their paid plan, which is $9.9 a month, or 12.9 for 1,000 image credits, or $30 or 5,000 image credits. Now I can't use this platform, so I'll have to use another platform that gives me better generations for my money. And so this is Shaker AI. So once you're on Shaker AI, you can just go down. You can see this on your platform, on your homepage. You can see SD3 and Flux, which is using the same engine that Flux, I think Flux uses, Flux AI. So once you click here, it's going to take you to another image generator, which is different from the normal image generator on Shaker AI. From here, you can select a different model. So I can choose the Flux Pro or the Flux Dev, which is actually not available for me. If I'm on the free plan, you can see I can't use this tool. So once I click on Flux Pro, I'm going to paste in my prompt, the same exact prompts that I used on Flux AI, and I'm going to use it here on Shaker AI. I'm just going to click on generate. So here, guys, it's done generating, and these are the images it generated for me. Let's go over them. I generated 4 images. You can see this is fucking, sorry, no curse words. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. You can see the detail in the shirt. I don't know if you can see the detail in the shirt and in the hair. This is absolutely amazing. This is mind-blowing. This is absolutely mind-blowing. I'm just going to download this. Oh my god. Let's see this one. This is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. I'm just going to download this. I'm just going to download all of them because they look absolutely stunning. Exactly what I pictured in my head. Now we're just going to try out all of the models. So we're just going to try out Flux Dev with the same prompts. Let's see what it generates for us. I'm going to do 2 images as well. So generate. This is Flux Dev. This is equally amazing. It's almost identical to what we got from the Pro version. I think the both of them are using the same engine. I think they are using the same exact engine because they are similar, but they're little different. They're slightly different from one another, but they're almost identical. Let's now go over and try the Stable Diffusion 3, which is also available here on Shaker AI. Let's try Stable Diffusion 3 and see the images that we get. Okay, this is Stable Diffusion 3. This is, I love the detail and I love how close the image is to the model, but I don't actually like the background because it doesn't look as realistic, but it is an amazing image as well. Okay, now this is a cool image. This is a cool image. This is super cool. This is amazing. Well, that's Flux model for you, and you can use it for free if you're on the paid plan, I think, of Shaker AI. But I think maybe you might be able to use it for free as well for their free plan. I don't know, but I'm on the paid plan, and instead of paying how much for Flux AI, which is about $10 for just 500 credits, which will probably run out in no time. I would advise you just use Shaker AI instead, which is an amazing tool, an amazing platform, and you get access to a lot of models from Stable Diffusion 1.5, Stable Diffusion 3, Flux Pro, and Flux Dev. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. I'm reviewing a lot of AI tools in this coming week, and I hope you like and you subscribe so you don't miss any other tutorial that I have coming up in this coming week. I'll see you in the next video.